G'day guys, Greg here. Now for breakfast this morning I'm whipping up a delicious omelette full of all your favourite things, bacon and cheese and creamy stuff and oh mate, with some other ingredients that'll take it to the next level. Let me show you what I'm using. Well, I'm not using too many ingredients at all actually. I got a couple of big bits of Aussie bacon which I cut into small bits. I'm using 3 eggs for this one. Some sour cream, white pepper, I've got some fried shallots here, some cheese, and of course, some butter. Ooh, I love this stuff. It adds the fleur in flavour. Anyway, let's start cooking. Alright, so for today's omelette, I thought I'd use this wok that I've got. They actually work really well for making an omelette. Now I've heated it up, I'm wondering if it's hot enough yet. Oh yeah, that's hot enough. So, I'll stick the bacon in and start that cooking. Get it as nice and crispy as you like it. I like mine pretty crispy. And while it's crisping up, I'll get the eggs ready. Hopefully, without any shells in it. Oh, mate, just like a professional. And I like to add some pepper in my eggs, white pepper. It goes down pretty well. Actually, a dash of milk always comes in handy too for these sorts of things. Add that to the ingredients list and we'll give that a nice whisk. Right, well that's all the hard work done. Back to the bacon. Yep. Still got a little ways to go. I might hurry it along with some butter. Don't make your pan too hot though, because the butter will burn. Although, nothing wrong with some burnt butter, mate. There's actually recipes that use burnt butter. This could be one of them, if you burn your butter. Oh yeah, that bacon is looking pretty good to me. So I'll transfer that onto a plate. I'll add a bit more butter to there because it's butter. And we'll add in the eggs. We'll just let that cook for a bit. Usually until I see the bubbles start forming in the middle, and then you can scrape it up, let the juice run down and fill in all the gaps. And then you just keep doing that. Go maybe to the other end, lift it up, fill in the gaps. I mean, and that's looking pretty good except for that big hole I just put in there. Don't worry. We can fill in that gap with some gooey egg. Hopefully. Right. Now, over 1/2 of my omelette, sprinkle some of these fried shallots. This will add that onion that you wish you had on it. Now I'll get the sour cream, put that in. Oh yeah. And the cheese. Gotta have cheese, right? And add the bacon. Oh, mate. Now we just need to flip that over. And boof. There you have it. I'll turn that off now. And we just need to give this a little bit of time for the cheese to melt and oh boy, it's ready to dive on into. Now it's just really easy to slide it out of your wok onto your plate. Oh yes. Look at all that bacon just ready to be devoured. I cannot wait. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, dude. Oh, I'm just loving the creaminess and the baconiness and the sour creaminess and the shallotiness. All those nisses make up to one big deliciousness. Oh, yeah. Well, I hope this video helps you with your cooking in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food is